Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy mash ki dal, also known as white lentil with chicken mince recipe. For this recipe I'm taking 200 grams of chicken mince and I have soaked 1 cup of white lentils overnight. Add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or any oil of your choice into a pan. Add some cumin seeds. Fry the onions until they are golden brown. I'm now boiling the lentils. Once the onions are golden, blend them to make a paste. Add the ginger garlic paste. Here I'm adding the mince. Now add some tomato paste. Add spices. Because we're using very less oil, so add water when required. I'm also gonna add salt now. I have covered it with a hot griddle. Don't forget to make green chutney with mash ki dal, it will taste awesome. Now after 5 to 8 minutes, the dal and the chicken is totally cooked. I'm adding garam masalas, green chilies, kasuri methi and some fresh coriander. Friends, this recipe is delicious. It is perfect for people with PCOS or people who are trying intermittent fasting. Please try this recipe and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with a new video. Jazakallah for watching.